In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply auto chart in TradingView. Basically, after you apply, you have auto chart generate by itself, and also you can just use the chart to make your analysis for your trading strategy. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to the indicators at the indicators tab and strategy tab, and at the indicator strategy tab, just type for ACP auto chart pattern. So basically, you can use this auto chart pattern by TradingScope. This is one of the most favored auto chart pattern in TradingView. You can basically just press and use it. After that, you can see it will generate different kinds of chart pattern based on the graph. You can see this ascending triangle and others ranging channel and others. So basically, you can use this kind of chart pattern if you know the definition of the chart. For example, this one chart 1 2 3 4 5, after it break downwards, it will definitely go downwards, but it shows reversal to go back upwards. So basically, you can use the chart pattern, auto generate chart pattern, to plan your trade. If you want to add one more indicator, you can add this candlestick pattern. So basically, these candlestick patterns will help you to generate out candlestick based on the graph, and you have your chart pattern, candlestick pattern, and you can make your trade using this kind of pattern. And you can just search out for the chart pattern, candlestick pattern definition, just Google it, and you can know how to trade your trading strategy and also plan your risk reward. Yeah, basically that's all how you can generate auto chart pattern in TradingView. Thank you.